We're going to talk about this company called the Rivian. And if you look at Rivian company, it produces electric vehicles. And if you look at its stock price back in 2021, it was trading, or I think 2021 or 2020, it was trading at $130 as the highest price that I could see at that time. Right now, this company is currently trading at $18 a daily on average for the last period of time. And I kind of wonder, company dropping from all the way from 130 to this level of price of per stock, especially electric company. So it might signal some risk, but it also signal a very significant potential. Is this company stock price going to grow this week, beginning July the 18th, 2026? Ideally, I'll probably say, probably not. From my previous video that I recorded this week, you'll probably say it's one of those companies that I listed that is going to have a kind of bearish stock trade for this week or bearish price. But would it have a significant return in the future? I'll say yes, from my point of view. I would consider it as a company with significant potential, with more likelihood to rebound to the price it was in 2021, or at least close to that. And when that happens, that is going to be a massive return on investment if you are investing $20 today in this company. The reason being, I've taken a look at the company's products. The only thing I've not looked at much is the financial statements. So it's another thing that you might want to personally take a look at. Look at the financial statement, especially the cash flow statements. And in the cash flow statements, look at the capital expenditure. The capital expenditure has increased proportionally for the last few years. Is one of the things that you might use to contrast the revenue from the company. The reason being, the revenue for the company is obviously less than the spending. So that spending, one thing that people have not really considered, might be as a result of investment in long-term assets that is likely to have a long-term return on investment. Now, let me take you quickly to the stock price analysis for the last period of time. So if you look at the price it was traded in 2021, that is that's approximately 120, $130, okay, per share, approximately. And it kind of dropped significantly, dropped so quickly. See, 2022 came all the way down to um, $30, and it traded in that $30 for some time, keep that momentum for some time, and they kind of moved forward, dropped down to 19, and even went as low as $10 at some point. Okay. But the good thing is that within that range, it sustains the the price. Okay, even went down to $8. I think that was somewhere here. Okay, $10. Okay, kind of keep that momentum. Yeah, $8. Keep that momentum for some time. In the tens dollars per stock, um, and then continue to grow in a sustainable rate of stock price over that period of time. But in recent time, this company have seen a significant demand for their electric vehicle. And given that the future of automotive products or motor vehicle is electric vehicle, whether you like it or not, more likely to come in the future. I know that many in America still prefer the gasoline car at the moment, and that is due to lack of reliability on electric car to some extent, charging stations. If the vehicles are um, broke it down on the way or you lost power on the way, those kind of issues are concerns that some consumers might have, and then stay away from that car. But if innovation continues to grow and this company is able to find a lasting solution to those concerns and the price are as affordable as the gasoline vehicle, you are going to see a surge in electrical demand. And when that happens, you will expect this company's share price to skyrocket again. So buying the stock at this point, if you're in a long-term game and leaving it there for some time, might be a great potential. One of the things that I might probably think about at the moment that also have impact on the share price might be leadership. Uh, could be one of those reasons. So you might also want to take a look at what is the track record of the CEO of this company, different leadership, the CFO, and what where have they worked, what have they done, what company have they worked for, and then look at that time. So if you actually want to put so much into this company, you have to do those research. Don't just throw your money there. Look at the company they work for, and during their time in that company, what was the behavior of the share price? And when they left, what was the behavior of the share price and the company they move into? So if you look at those kind of track records, it might take you that the current drop in their share price is as a result of leadership. And when they have a change of leadership in the future, this could dramatically change. As I said, one of the things that I'll capitalize on will definitely be cash flow statement. I want to say where there's a lot of cash outflow, where the cash inflow is coming at the moment. Financing might be one of them, but those two areas from the operating activity and the investing activity section of the cash flow are the key aspect that I will want to kind of focus on to do some basic analysis. So yes, if I do have the opportunity to invest in this company, I will invest in it, but I must be prepared to be in a long-term game. If you're looking at a short-term game, it's probably not my best bet.